Hi, this is the first lesson of this math tutorial series, and our discussion for today is all about multiples. Before anything else, let us first define what natural numbers or counting numbers are. Counting numbers, as the name implies, are the numbers that we use for counting, starting from 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now that we defined what counting numbers are, let's get started. So, what is a multiple? It is the result when you multiply a given number by a counting number. For example, the given number is 3 and you multiply it by 8, resulting to 24. Since 8 is a counting number, the result is a multiple of 3. Let's say the given number is 8 and now you're multiplying it by 3, resulting to the same answer. Since 3 is also a counting number, 24 is also a multiple of 8. For our second example, let us multiply 1 by some counting numbers. Since these 5 numbers are all counting numbers, the products are all multiples of 1. For our final example, let's find the first 8 multiples of 7. 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times 4 is 28, 7 times 5 is 35, 7 times 6 is 42, 7 times 7 is 49, and 7 times 8 is 56. These are the first 8 multiples of 7. Again, to find a multiple of a given number, you just have to multiply it by a counting number. And that's it. To see if you understood the lesson, try to answer this exercise. You may leave your answers on the comment section below. That concludes our lesson for today. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. You may also consider subscribing to our channel so you will be updated when we upload a new tutorial. Thank you for your support and see you on the next video!